Ain't what she's living for.
But she never complained. The bad times was a bad thing he's done. She just talks about the good times they've had and all the good times coming. She's a good-hearted woman, but with good times. You love living around the blues. He likes the bright lights and bright lights, good time friends.